I'm David from the David English Academy, talking straight to you. I help English learners like you with practical strategies through my program and my great supportive team. And today, I want to chat with you about something super important in learning: how to use ChatGPT the smart way without losing your real speaking skills. Let's talk about it. Look, technology is changing how you learn. ChatGPT can feel really helpful for practice, but I see so many of you relying too much on it and missing those real human conversations. Real talk with people is still key. So the big question for you is, how do we use AI wisely and still build true speaking confidence? I have some great ways to balance both, and I'll tease a few here, but I share the full step-by-step details only on my website. You can start with a simple routine, mix short AI sessions with real talks, prepare with ChatGPT and then practice live, listen actively and ask for feedback. The real magic is in the balance. I show you exactly how to do it in my complete blog post. So here's what I want you to remember, my friend. AI is a great ally, not a replacement for real conversation. Trust the process and you will grow. Practice is not about perfection. Practice is about making progress. And if this makes sense to you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more help, for the full strategies, my best tips, my complete program, and support from my team. Just go to my website at davidenglish.info. The link is right there for you in the description below. And tell me in the comments right now, have you been using ChatGPT for English? What is your biggest challenge with it? I read every comment and I reply to you. Thank you so much for watching today. I'll see you in the next video. Keep speaking with confidence.